PMSing.
Sometimes it takes her a second before she's generous enough to bring it back to you. Can you hold it?
Injection.
Callie, hold it! Hold it! So again, like Stephanie said earlier, this is something that's a little bit newer for Callie, so we're still asking her to do these things. Again, we can't make these guys do anything they don't want to. Can you hold it?
She's making
Callie,
it
hold it! Can you hold a dollar? Right in your hands, it's approach. Can you hold it? Hold it! After I turn it dollar, I'm sure it needs it. Can you hold it? Hold it! Callie, hold it! Hold it!
They must sound like fucked up their training or
I
something.
think they're gonna step down it for you, Dakota. There you go.